Today we're going to learn about some properties of specific quadrilaterals, specifically rectangles and squares. And there's basically two main things that you need to know. So let's start with the rectangle. So you notice there's a rectangle ABCD here given. One property of a rectangle is that it has 4 right angles. So that means all of these angles are 90 degrees. The other property of rectangles, as you already probably noticed, is that the opposite sides are congruent. So that means this side is the same as this side, and this side is the same as this side. Now a square, okay, you probably know these properties also, is a special type of rectangle. It also has 4 right angles, and then for a square though, all sides are congruent. Now we're going to use those two properties to answer a couple questions. So let's look at the first example here. It says you have a square MNOP, so that means all 4 sides are the same. I'm giving you 2 of the sides. If I want to find the value of x, that means those 2 sides are the same. So you're going to set them equal to each other. So 3x plus 14 is going to be equal to 5x minus 8. And then from here, you can solve for x. So I'll go ahead and subtract the 3x from both sides. 14 equals 2x minus 8. Add 8, add 8. I get 22 equals 2x. Divide by 2, and then I'm going to get x equals 11. Next example, again you have another square, and I want to find the value of x again, but this time, notice they give you the angles. So there's 2 ways you can do this. We know that each angle in a square is equal to 90 degrees. So you can either set each angle to 90 degrees, and if you solve it, you can add 6, you get 16x equals 96. Divide by the 16 and you'll get x equals 6. Now you can do it for this angle, or you can do the same thing for this one. 15x is also equal to 90, and you will also get x equals 6. So notice you don't have to do it for both. They're both equal to 90. The other way you can do it is set these equal to each other, because since they're both equal to 90, they have to be the same. And if you solve it, you will get the exact same answer, x equals 6. So either one of those are fine. Okay, last example on this page. Again, you're given a rectangle, and we want to find the length of WZ. So we're looking for this side right here. Now, if I had this side, I would set them equal, but I don't. But I do have these sides here. So I know these are going to be the same. So I'm going to start the same way. I'm going to set these equal to each other. And we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So 7x plus 4. Remember, distribute that 3. 3x plus 24. I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides. So minus 3x minus 3x. 4x plus 4 equals 24. Minus 4 minus 4. I get 4x equals 20. Divide by 4, I'm going to get x equals 5. But notice this question doesn't say to find x, it wants you to find the length of WZ. So here's WZ. Oops, sorry, this is not WZ, this is WZ. I'm going to plug that x back into here. And if I plug in the 5 here, and this you can go ahead and do all into your calculator. You should end up with WZ equals 35 plus 4, which is 39. So this is the answer to the question I'm looking for.